Hey, what's up, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I have some awesome, exciting information that I want to share with you. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how you can get started making $12 to $14 an hour just for browsing Google. Just for browsing Google, aka the internet. Yes, this is possible. Yes, it is 100% legitimate. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. There are no special skills required. Also, you can do this worldwide. If this is something that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you're paying attention. Make sure that you have a pen and notepad handy so that you can take notes. Let's jump on into this. Super excited to get this information out to you guys. So let's go ahead and kick this off, you guys. First things first, if you're brand new to this channel, the first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You can find that down below this video. You can also find that right over here. There's a little button that says click here. You can click that to subscribe to my channel. You also want to make sure that you hit the bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new videos. And I am coming out with 2 to 3 very valuable videos a week teaching you exactly how you can get started making money online. Second thing, you want to make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up, you guys, if you're finding any valuable content in this video. This helps to grow my channel. This helps to get this information out there to as many people as possible so that they can start making money online as well. You're also going to want to make sure that you stick with me to the very end of this video, you guys. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I got started making money online, and I'm going to show you how you can start creating life-changing results, making passive income online, working from home or working from anywhere in the world, actually, if you like, as long as you have an internet connection. So you're going to want to make sure that you stick with me to the very end. All right, you guys, so you're probably wondering, Chad, how do I get started making $12 to $14 an hour just for browsing the internet? So let's jump into this, you guys. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to this website right here, and it's called thesmartcrowd.com, and it's called Lionbridge. I will leave a link to this webpage down in the description of this video, so it's very easy for you to navigate to this webpage. This isn't the exact homepage, but I wanted to start here because I wanted to start at this How It Works page, you guys. And I just wanted to read this to you for just a second here. It says, in today's global, mobile, and connected marketplace, there shouldn't be anything holding you back from working on your own terms. With Lionbridge crowdsourcing, independent workers can find home-based jobs with flexible workloads that they can control and a single pipeline for incoming work. Crowd workers thrive on computing jobs at home on a flexible schedule and excel in a virtual workspace. So there you have it, you guys. Lionbridge connects you so that you can start browsing the internet and making $12 to $14 an hour. So you were probably saying, okay, great, Chad, how do I get started? Where do I go? So where you want to go, you guys, is where it says job opportunities right here. You'll click that. And remember, at the very beginning of this video, I said that you could get started doing this worldwide. So what you're gonna see here is all these little orange dots. And if you hover over all these, it pulls up a bunch of different places within that region that you can get started working from home to make money. So we're in the United States, so we're gonna go over here and we're gonna hover, and it's gonna say Canada and US. If you're in any other part of the world, you wanna make sure that you hover over that region and then click on the one that is related to you. But since we're in the US, I'm gonna hover over that. We'll click on United States for this example. And what you're gonna see here is it's gonna bring up a list of different positions that you can apply for and work on an hourly rate, or you can work as a contractor. But the one that I'm most particularly interested in, and the one that I'm discussing today, is this one right down here at the bottom that says Rater. And this one is English because I speak English. They also have a Spanish speaking one right up here at the top. And if you read the description right here, what it says is, we are looking for dynamic and creative people who have a strong communication skills and use the internet daily. The job involves analyzing and providing feedback on text, web pages, images, and other types of information for leading search engine using an online tool. Leading search engines, aka Google, Yahoo, Bing. So you might be saying, well, why does Google, Yahoo, and Bing want to pay people to do searches online? Well, here's how this works, you guys. Google, Yahoo, and Bing, for example, are outsourcing this work because it's very important to them that when their end user, you, for example, searching the internet, or anybody out there searching the internet, that they receive relevant content when they type in searches. It's super important that the end user is finding relevant content, you guys. You wouldn't want to be typing in how to find online work and get something that is completely irrelevant to what you're searching for. So what they're doing is they're paying people to do searches online to make sure that relevant content is appearing, and they will assign these tasks to you, and you will provide probably a little report back on exactly what you're finding and if the content is relevant or not. So real quickly, a couple other things I wanted to do was I wanted to point you to where they answer their frequently asked questions. Should you have any further questions, because I know this is a very brief overview, if you scroll right back up the page here and come over to where it says frequently asked questions, if you click on that, it breaks down some frequently asked questions that people are normally asking. A couple of things that I thought were interesting. It describes what the pay is like, and I'm going to show you on another website what the similar pay range is for this particular type of job that I'm pointing you in the direction to do. So it says, what is the pay like? We offer a competitive rate. In some instances, this can be task-based for certain programs, while in others, it can be per hour rates. So you can get an hourly paycheck, you guys. The rates are set for each country, and we pay directly to your bank account using direct deposit. Do I have to pay to join or pay any fees? I thought this was cool because it is completely free to get signed up doing this. No, there is no sign-up fee, membership fee, nothing. We simply pay you as a contractor to complete the specified work. And this one was really cool because, if you start working a job, you normally have to give like a 2 weeks, advance notice if you're going to quit or if you find some other type of employment. And with your obligations with Liongate, all they say is we ask that you provide us with 1 day's notice should you choose to leave our role. So if you get started with this, you guys, and you don't like it, if you don't like browsing the internet and getting paid $12 to $14 an hour to do that, you can give 1 day's notice and quit. No big deal. The next thing that I wanted to do was bring you over to Indeed.com. And what this company does is they provide reviews, company reviews. If you click right here and you type in Lionbridge, I pulled up reviews for this company that I'm referring you to, Lionbridge, and they are rated 3.4 stars out of 5, you guys, and that's out of 586 reviews. And then if you click over here where it says salaries and come down, they'll show you the pay range for a lot of the positions that they're providing employment for. And if you notice here, it starts at $10 and it's going all the way up to around $25 an hour for a data collector, you guys. So this is some pretty significant pay, and they have some other online work opportunities other than just being an evaluator, you guys. So if there's some other things that you want to do, make sure that you browse through the other jobs that are on that website and apply for those as well. They do also mention that you can work more than one of them in conjunction, because a lot of these are part-time. The ones that I seen were not full-time work. So if you want to do more than one to make more, to increase your income, you can go ahead and do that. So you've stuck with me till the end of this video. Now I want to show you exactly how you can get started making some crazy income online. This is the way that I want to see you go. This can create life-changing results and a life of freedom for you. So if that is something that sounds interesting to you guys, if you want a flexible work arrangement where you can create your own hours, where you are literally your own boss, if you want passive income, which is where you're doing something once and getting paid for it time and time again, I want you to understand that these are great opportunities that I'm showing you right here. If this is something that sounds interesting to you and you want to get paid an hourly rate, this is great. But this is called active income, you guys. This is where you're trading your time for money. If you want to work from home and you want to create a life of passive income, this is how you're going to get started. I'm going to jump over to where I left this link. If you look directly beneath this video, I left a link for you here. It says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. And this is my website, you guys, chadbennettlive.com. You can click this link. It'll take you directly to my webpage. You can also type that into your web browser. And what it's going to ask for is it's going to ask for your name and your email address. And you want to make sure that you put a legitimate email address in there, because what I'm going to do is send you out a free video that's going to get you started creating your own online business. I have a whole team of individuals that I'm working with that are helping individuals create their own online business so that they can start working from home and they can build an online business and build an empire online. You guys, literally, you can scale it up to where you're making thousands to even actually millions of dollars if you really want to take it that far. It's up to you. This is how I got started making money online. This is a step-by-step process. They literally take you by the hand and teach you how to create your own online business and start creating income online, you guys. So that's all I have for you today. Obviously, if you found any valuable content in this video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. It really helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out there to as many people as possible. And if you have not yet already done so, please make sure that you come over here. Make sure you click this. It'll be red. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit this bell notification. That way you get notified as soon as I come out with new content. Like I said, you guys, I'm coming out with at least 2 to 3 videos a week where I'm showing you different opportunities to start creating an income online for yourself. So there you have it, you guys. My name is Chad Bennett, your Make Money Online coach. And that's all I got for you today. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.